AFK gang, as you know, it's been a while. I haven't been into the kitchen because of work. All right. I just cook for fun. And last time I traveled to Costa Rica, that was in Mother's Day weekend. So now I'm getting ready to go away. I won't be telling you guys where I'm going, but I'm gonna do my packing video. As a matter of fact, the weather there is mixed this time of year. Certain time it's on the cooler side, and during the daytime it's very sunny. So I have to pack two weather clothes. But I'm very excited, and I know you guys will be so excited because this is one of them dream trips. It's a dream vacay, all right? So guys, come on, pack with me. See guys, a lot of stuff. So I'll be leaving for at least 2 weeks. So as I say, the weather is different. So I pack warm clothes and lighter clothes. Okay guys, so what I love about this luggage, this one comes with a battery compartment to charge your battery, so I can charge my cell phone and my laptop while I'm at the airport. So this is the bag with the battery. I want to put the battery to charge overnight because we're leaving early in the morning. That's a charger, and this is what the battery looks like. Pretty cool, huh? You just put your charger in there to get your stuff charged. Then you put it in. Right? So, see, it's right there. You close it, and when you want to use it, you just pop it out. So, okay, guys, this is my carry-on. To all the Jamaicans, this is a crepe, all right? My daughter have a problem with me wearing my crepe. This is my crepe. And this is the boat. Guys, if it's anything I've learned from traveling, always make sure you pack clothes in your carry-on and shoe, just in case your luggage doesn't get there when you get there, you have something to wear, all right? Okay guys, I don't have a dress for this one. They didn't have any size. So that's it for now. Fergie's Kitchen. Well,